Welcome to today's session. We'll be looking at compound sentences. Before we go into the meaning of compound sentences, let's look at a simple sentence. A simple sentence contains a subject and a verb, and is also known as an independent clause. An example of this is Ahmed drives to work every day. So we have Ahmed, which is the subject, and drives, which is the verb. We have one of each in one sentence. So this is called a simple sentence. As for a compound sentence, it contains two separate subject and verb pairs. So for example, I live in Medina and I study in Taiba University. I, in both cases, are subjects, and live and study are verb pairs. I live in Medina and I study in Taiba University. This is a compound sentence. Now let's look at the structure of a compound sentence in detail, how it looks. So we have sentence one, which will have after it a comma, and then we have conjunction. And today we'll deal with and, but, or, and so. Then we have sentence two. And after that we have full stop. I live in Medina, comma, and I study in Taiba University, full stop. This is the structure of a compound sentence. Now let's look at some conjunctions in detail. The first one is and this connects two ideas that go together. I want to go to the park and I want to play basketball. So we know that playing basketball is usually done in the park. And also we know that they are connected. So they are two ideas that go together. I want to go to the park and I want to play basketball. But this connects two ideas that go against each other. It's a contrast. For example, I need to go to the store, but I'm feeling too sick to drive. So he needs to go to the store, which means he needs to move. But he's too sick. So this is a contrast. It goes against going to the store. So these are two ideas that go against each other. So this connects a problem with a result. It shows what happened after. Nuh was sick today, so he went to the hospital. So we say, because Nuh was sick, there's a result, and that is he went to the hospital. So we use so in this compound sentence. Or this connects two choices or more. You can buy a car or you can rent one. So you have a choice of two things, to buy a car or rent one. So we use or in this compound sentence. Practice makes perfect. Let's make practice perfect.
Dear students, welcome to another practice session. Use the following words to form three compound sentences. Remember to use and. Please write your sentences in the comments below. Thank you for your participation. Have a nice day.